In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall WinRAR from Windows using Control Panel. Whether you're cleaning up your PC or switching to a different tool, the process is quick and safe when you follow along. I'll walk you through opening Control Panel, finding the right place to manage programs, and removing WinRAR completely. I'll also share simple checks and tips so you know everything worked as expected. First, open Control Panel. The easiest way is to click the Start button and type Control Panel, then open the matching result. If your Control Panel opens in Category View, that's perfect. You'll see broad sections like System and Security and Programs. If you're in the Large or Small Icons view, that's fine too. The options we need are all there. Opening Control Panel ensures we're using the classic Windows Uninstaller, which is reliable and clearly shows what's installed. Next, select Uninstall a program under the Programs section. This takes you to the Programs and Features list, which shows every traditional desktop app installed on your computer. Scroll through the list and look for WinRAR. It usually appears as WinRAR with the publisher win.rr GmbH, and it may show a version number. If you see more than one WinRAR entry, choose the one that's currently installed. Right-click WinRAR and choose Uninstall. Windows may ask for permission through a user account control prompt. Click Yes to continue. If WinRAR is open, close it so the uninstaller can remove all files and context menu entries. Follow any on-screen prompts from the uninstaller. Most of the time, there's nothing extra to choose, and the removal takes only a few moments. When it's finished, the entry for WinRAR should disappear from the list. At this point, you're done. To confirm, make sure WinRAR no longer appears in Programs and Features and that it's no longer listed in your Start menu. If you had right-click menu options for extracting archives, those should also be gone or will disappear shortly after Windows refreshes the menu. Your existing zip files can still be opened with the built-in Windows file compression, and other archive types will simply wait until you install a different tool. If you ever change your mind, you can download and reinstall WinRAR later from its official website. That's all there is to it. Open Control Panel, choose Uninstall a program, remove WinRAR, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part if you want to follow along step by step.